Hello guys, once again welcome back to our YouTube channel and you are watching ITyug. And today I'm going to tell you how to get your Instagram stories back that you accidentally deleted. So without further delay, let's start the video. The first thing we need to do is to open our Instagram profile. Then click the three horizontal lines on the top right corner. You will see your activity below this. Click on it. Now scroll down and select the recently deleted option that you will see. The stories that you have deleted are all displayed here. Tap the story you want to restore next. So I'm tapping on this one. Then click on the three dots given right here. There are two options available here, delete or restore. Since I want to restore the story, I am choosing the restore option. You will then see a notification similar to this one, informing you that if you shared your story within the last 24 hours, it will be added to your highlight. Or even if you deleted the story from your archive, it will be restored. Now click on restore. You will see that my story has been restored. I'll go to my archive section to check it. For this, go back to your profile and click on three lines. Now here, tap archive. Guys, here you can see that the story I have restored is right here. So I click on it now, tap on the three dots and click save. As a result, my story is now saved in my camera roll. To check it, I'm going back to my phone gallery. So right here, you can see that my story is saved in my camera roll as well. It's really cool how you can store deleted stories in both your camera roll as well as archive section. So guys, I hope you find this video helpful. If you do so, then do hit the like button. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.